Welcome to the all-new Value-Enabled Customer Engagement Platform 2.0. Now live and ready to revolutionize how you connect with your policyholders. With CE 2.0, you get a powerful, easy-to-use dashboard that lets them instantly track platform usage, monitor user activity, and access detailed illustration reports. This means complete control and transparency over every interaction. Now, filtering and managing policies is effortless with the upgraded All Policies tab. Agents can quickly filter by product or sort by premium size and dive deeper into each policy. Plus, fund allocations are now shown in actual values, not just percentages, giving policyholders a clearer understanding of their investments. We know your clients are diverse. That's why CE 2.0 is now multilingual, supporting English, Hindi, and Marathi. With our one-of-its-kind co-browsing feature, agents can now send a secure, time-limited link that lets policyholders follow along in real time. For unit-linked policies, your team can now showcase policy performance like never before. The Performance Snapshot combines performance till date and future projections, which includes returns, charges, funds performance history, and expert market insights, all in one place. Agents can instantly show how partial withdrawals impact future returns. And with the new Fund Switch feature, agents can compare and inform better performing funds on the spot, empowering policyholders to make informed decisions with confidence. The Other Scenarios and Scenario Comparison tool lets policyholders visualize outcomes under different conditions, giving them clarity and control over their financial future. For traditional policies, we have shifted the Know Details of Benefits tab to Policy Information for ease of access. And we have now made it simpler for you to see the current status of policies and future scenarios at one place under the Benefits Snapshot tab. You can view details of multiple premium payment scenarios in tabular or graphical format basis your convenience. Our Scenarios Comparison tab provides the most powerful tool for renewals and revivals, wherein you can compare how various benefits and IRRs stack up depending on how many premiums you pay. Sharing insights with customers is also seamless now. Generate and send performance reports as videos or PDFs to your policyholders in one click. Our earlier conversations with policyholders were only reactive, but now we have made it proactive with a new talking point section. And if a policyholder wishes to surrender, callers can now offer instant alternatives like loan against policy or policy buyout, the requests of which can be raised directly from the platform, ensuring a smooth and supportive experience. For any issues along the way, we have the Support tab for you. Here, you'll find tutorial videos along with the one you are watching now. You can also raise a support ticket if you do not find the answer. Our IT team will get in touch quickly to resolve your issue. That's our CE 2.0 for you. Want to know more in detail? Book a demo now.